Ninja Acholi, welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi. I'm Jacqueline Ikanga Kot. Man segment mi Kwan Leb Acholi. Uti akwana lokmi Palwar. Lawu aberka akwana lokmi jo Amita. The day before that or last week aberka akwana lokmi jo Dogolami Palwar di Palwar. Okay, teen namiro kwana jo Koyo pa be Lomarati. Then reading a check look like a chart for no information much more. So good morning. I wanted to have one in area wine. I dig it on another one, another subclan. Okay, subclan mechanic. Okay. Please make sure to like, comment, share. Follow us on all of the platforms upon my tab. I don't have too much time. Battery data. So I'm gonna jump right into Kwan Lomarati Kanero upon my tab. Okay. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and Jacqueline and Kanga Kot. What to you to the Chaka Leb Acholi. Yala. What here a Facebook do Chaka Leb Acholi. I'm gonna take Facebook do Chaka South Sudan. Please like, comment, share. If I pronounce more wrong, please drop your comments. Help me out. Let's learn together. But you're joining on Lugmingo, Koyo pa be, ni dana me doc od me Koyo pa be, or binogi agoro, ma malo or Uganda. Road be, ma en bene road cut, a yeo kilo dana man i Sudan, pilo kom kech, ma bero ka negodana ma pol i agoro. Ento, te kwaro mi Palwar, pe waje kid ma dano ma mi doc Koyo pa be o woro kwere. Atamani look ma pol ma doc ikom dano mi Koyo pa be. Wabi choya is second edition me book any. Okay, so information on erbo nongi mo. Regarding team gi got Koyo pa be. Johnny Jo Koyo pa be tigi got a chill magi lungo ni got la boki. And again peregi team nyo jok. Now regarding Jo Lomarati, ni Jo Lomarati ngo, take war pa chuli Sudan watching a danami doc ot Lomarati o bino gi Koyo oba. And pewangio pingo danaman o wero lobo oba, one ben pewangio mohamagin o kwede. Wan ying la dit mau kelogin i Palwar. Dana mokena kono wachani job Lomarati o bino gi isoro wal isore. Ento gi board Krasalera 1951. Eno wajani dana mi Lomarati o bino gi lango matie e katire. Atamo ni look ma po mi te kwarpa jo Lomarati wa binongo is second edition me bookman. Okay. Yala regarding team gi God Lomarati, Jo Lomarati peregi team got your job. That's it. Okay. Like, comment, share with your friends and family and your community. If you have any comments or if you'd like to be a guest, please drop your DMs. Send me a private message or leave a comment under this video and I'll pour my tech. Okay. Diga kwana lokmingo agata dogolami agata mi Palwar. Okay. Very short reading on Dogola Rio area information you could pay wabinani book me area. Apo Amatek. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chaka Leb Acholi. Subscribe to our Facebook and follow us on Facebook, Chaka Leb Acholi with Chaka South Sudan. And Jacqueline Kanga Kot. You guys have a good night. Apo Amatek. Happy Kwan. Okay, it was very quick. Bye bye guys.